I'm Kimberly, and I just turned 33. I'm a welder, so I work in the trades, which I feel like is kind of rare to be getting rhinoplasty or anything like that. I feel like it's crazy because obviously most people who knew that I was getting it done, everyone's like, oh my gosh, like, I'm so happy that you still look like you, because a lot of my friends were like, I thought we were gonna have to like relearn your face, and so it's nice to like still look like myself. But yeah, I do feel way more confident. Like, I'm super excited to go out, and yeah, I'm definitely a lot more confident with it for sure. So I've always kind of disliked my nose. Can't like pinpoint an exact time, but definitely like probably since I was, 12, 13, I always knew like there was a big bump up here. And then just that my nose, like I thought it was big in general. And then when I would tell people I'd think about rhinoplasty, a lot of people were like, oh, you don't need it, like it looks fine. And I'm like, yeah, but I don't want it to look fine. I want it to look good. Yeah, like I said before, I've definitely been like, have people made jokes about my nose before, which like really bothered my self-esteem. So everyone, I had talked to lots of people in Vancouver, places getting my nails done, or like having lip filler in the past. And anyone in Vancouver or anywhere around Vancouver, every time I talked about getting rhinoplasty, everyone right away would say, like, oh, are you going to Dr. Buonassisi? Like, he's the nose guy, you have to go to him. So it just seemed like the obvious choice. I think my first consultation, which was a few years ago, right away, I just thought he was really good. Like, he didn't, I know that if I had said, like, I want my nose to be really, really tiny and all this stuff, like, he was gonna do what looked right for my face, not just like, oh, I want my nose to look like, a celebrity's nose or something. He like looked at your face and he understood like what was gonna fit your face properly, which I think was like a big deal, because obviously when even I considered, friends had said like, oh, are you gonna go to Turkey to get your nose done? And I know people who have gone there, and you can tell like they got exactly what they asked for. They weren't, like the surgeon wasn't reading their face. And I just found like he's such a kind person. Like, you meet a lot of specialists or surgeons who have no, kind of bedside manner. And I just find he's like really easy to talk to and kind of understanding, and takes everything into account and does what's going to be right for your face. And then, yeah, even the day of the surgery, he was like super reassuring, because I originally didn't know that I wasn't gonna go under, that I was gonna just have the like twilight sedation, and I was kind of panicked about it. And he's like, if you want to go under, it's no big deal, and was just super reassuring. And one thing I would say is it was definitely less painful than I thought it was gonna be. Like, it was uncomfortable just because you can't really breathe through your nose for the first week or so. But honestly, the pain levels, like I was really scared about it, and it was like barely pain at all. Like, it was just, yeah, uncomfortable, but not painful really in any way. Yeah, it's only been just 3 months now, so I think it's gonna change a lot still. I have other friends who've had rhinoplasty, also from Dr. Buonassisi, and it's crazy how different it looks, like 6 months to a year, even a bit longer than a year. It changes a lot, so I'm really excited to see like how it turns out, because I know it's still gonna change a lot. I would definitely have already told other people, like I would 100% go to Buonassisi again. I think he's amazing. It was just a really good experience all around.